Hey everyone, Monkey Wrench Mike. Somebody asked me the other day, what's the best way to protect their vehicle? I told them with a dash cam, and the best way that I protect my vehicles, like this classic Mercedes right here, is with this. It's the Botslab G980H. It is a dash cam with super clear video. It is super easy to install, and yes, it is super easy on your wallet. Let me tell you more. So inside this very nice box right here, you get the actual dash cam itself. This has a 4K camera with a very wide 170-degree field of view for up to 6 lanes of traffic coverage. There's also a 64 gig SD card to record every time you get behind the wheel. And let me show you the rear camera. This is a 2K camera right here. This will rotate 360 degrees for full coverage. This has a 150-degree field of view that's equally as wide. It's going to capture everything that's going on behind your vehicle. So the video, super crisp, super clear. In fact, I spent some time driving this old Benz right here around my hometown to give you some examples. Take a look at the video, and I really think you're going to be pretty amazed. Now there's true 4K resolution on the front camera and crisp 2K on the rear. The Sony IMX415 sensor captures stunning landscapes and enjoys superior quality during the day and on dark roads at night. And there's wide dynamic range technology and night vision for super clear footage in any situation. This maximizes the detail captured by both cameras to ensure excellent image quality. The dashcam uses Botslab's latest AI algorithm to receive real-time alerts of pedestrian collisions, vehicle movement ahead, lane departure, and headway monitoring. You can also receive driver fatigue alerts every 2 hours to make sure that you're awake and you're paying 100% attention while you are behind the wheel right here. Plus, there is a G sensor that is automatically going to lock the video just in case you're involved in an accident. This dash cam will also protect your vehicle when you're not around if you get the hardwire kit that connects your dash cam to the fuse box. This will record incidents that happen when you're not in the car, for example, if a thief or a vandal comes along. And finally, the dash cam has GPS integration with Google Maps to record your driving path. So as we're driving around right here, I do want to tell you about some of the advanced technology in this dash cam right here. This has ADAS warnings. This is an AI-powered advanced driver assistance service, and it's going to keep you more alert behind the wheel. It's going to help you keep in your lane. It's going to tell you when you're too close to somebody or someone is too close to you. Now, one of them is the pedestrian collision warning. It's going to say pedestrian in vicinity if someone is within 33 feet of your vehicle and you're going between 6 and 25 miles an hour.
Pedestrians in vicinity.
Something else this unit is going to do, it's going to remind you when the vehicle in front of you starts to move. It actually says front car start. All right, we'll pull up behind a car and I'll see if I can get it to do that for us real quick right here. And we're just going to wait for a minute.
Front car start.
See, it just told me, and it turned green right there. Ah, love it. Now there's also headway monitoring, and the unit is actually going to say too close if you get too close to another car and you're going at least 19 miles an hour. So we're going to be very careful about this. I'll see if I can go at least 19 miles an hour and get too close to a car and see if we can get this to give us a warning. I think this is cool. If you have a younger driver, maybe someone, your son or your daughter just turned 16, get them this dash cam because it's going to keep them, safe on the road. It's going to help them become a better driver because it's going to warn them about all the potentials for, I don't want to say disaster, but for accidents. Absolutely. We did it. It actually said too close. That was a little scary. Oh, this is fun. So there's also lane departure warnings. So if you're going at least 37 miles an hour and you kind of veer off into another lane, it's going to say lane deviation. Now there's also a super capacitor in this unit right here that's going to immediately save the data. If for some reason power automatically just shuts off, the super capacitor kind of kicks in and it's going to keep the video going for just a moment so it can save everything that you need it to save. In addition, that super capacitor helps the whole unit itself to run cooler, so it's not going to get so hot and you're never going to have to worry about it overheating. And also, as I'm out here running errands, it's also going to use the built-in GPS to go ahead and route your path to wherever you're going. It has Google Maps, and you can kind of trace your route. It's going to tell you exactly where you were, the route that you went on, you know, how fast you were going and all that kind of stuff. So that is super, super helpful. And when it comes time to finally download the video to your phone, you do this on the Botslab app. It is super fast. It is 5G, so those transfers are super, super fast. You're not wasting any time at all. And by the way, I just found this out. The Botslab, their name, the bots part comes from their commitment to technology, robotics, and all of that. So that's bots. And then the lab comes from their commitment to research. Botslab. I love it. I think it's really cool. If you do want some more information on this amazing G980H Dash Cam, which I do highly recommend, we're going to have a link for you in the description box below. Please go check it out. Save yourself some money. Give yourself peace of mind. Protect those younger drivers if you have them in the household, and basically protect whoever is behind the wheel and whichever vehicle you want to install it, because once again, with the parking lot monitor, you don't have to be there, and Botslab is going to protect your car or your truck or your motorhome or whatever you put the dash cam in. I think that's really, really cool. A big thank you to everybody from Botslab for sending me this. I do love it. I use these in all of my vehicles, and I think you should as well. All right, have a great day, everybody. We'll see you again very, very soon. Bye-bye.